Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a creamy, flavorful shrimp pasta. It's packed with vegetable, layers of seasoning, and just the right amount of heat. We've got sweet peppers, jalapeno, garlic, onions, and we're gonna finish everything off with a creamy sauce. So let's get this going. To get started, we're gonna add some olive oil in our garlic and let that saute for a minute before adding in our shrimp. Alright, now it's time to go ahead and add in some seasoning. We're going to start with some salt, some black pepper, and I'm using about 1 teaspoon of everything, and some things I eyeball, some Italian seasoning, of course we need some Old Bay seasoning because we're working with seafood, and paprika and some cayenne pepper. That is it for our seasoning. Cayenne pepper is going to bring the right amount of heat that we're looking for in this dish. Now let all of this cook together until our shrimp is cooked on both sides. It's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to remove it from the pan. We are keeping everything in the same pan. This is a one-pan dish, so all of these flavors are going to be layered on top of each other. So let's go ahead and get this removed from our pan. Then we're going to go ahead and add back some olive oil into the pan for our vegetables. Now here we have some onions, lots of onions I should say, some jalapenos, sweet peppers. We have yellow and orange, or you could use the red, the green, whatever you have pretty much. We're going to put in here some cherry tomatoes and get this all sauteed together. Now you could, at this point, if you want your vegetables to be nice and crunchy, remove it from the pan as well and add it back later. But we're cooking everything down, so we're going to keep everything in. And of course, we're going to layer with some more seasoning. And we're doing salt, pepper, granulated garlic, some more paprika, and a little bit more cayenne pepper because, we just like a little bit of heat in our food. And we're going to just cook this down. So now that this is sauteed down, it's about time to put in our pasta. And like I said again, it's a one-pan dish, so our pasta goes right in. And then I have some water in the kettle that's been boiling. We're going to go ahead and pour that over our pasta and then let that cook down in all of those flavors until our pasta is cooked. This is where all of those flavors start building on each other and come together really nice. Okay, and now that we have our crème fraîche I just added in, we're going to just let all of this simmer down together and get that nice and creamy richness out of that crème fraîche. And then we'll be adding in our heavy cream for another layer of richness. And then, you'd want to keep checking on your pasta, make sure it's cooked all the way. If you need to add some more water, go ahead and do so. So while this is cooking down, I just want to take this moment to say thank you to you all for continued support. We have lots of other videos that are available if you want to keep watching after this. We also have our Amazon storefront with all of our cooking essentials. I will attach a link if anyone wants to check that out. Especially these heck pans, they work so great for so many dishes and makes cleanup a breeze. So check those out. So yeah, we're back. Added in our heavy cream. We're gonna let that cook down, and then it will be time to add back in our shrimp. Putting this back in. I'm gonna put that out. Smells the goodness, no? Where to put it? Putting this back in. Okay, it's time to go ahead and add our shrimp back in and finish this dish up. We're gonna add in some fresh chopped parsley along with our shrimp and bring this all together and then go ahead and remove it from the stove. Let us know in the comments if you're team spicy or team mild, because I did put quite a bit of cayenne pepper in here, so we are definitely team spicy. And as always, thank you for being here, for cooking with us and sharing these moments. Let us know in the comments if you try any of these dishes and how yours came out. And until next time, we will see you guys from Rita and Ayden. Enjoy, and take care.